This is the DEERFAMY stand-up paddleboard, which we did a complete unboxing for already. You may have seen that. We were so impressed with both the quality and the workmanship. In addition to the package comes with so many accessories, a really nice paddle, comes with the pump, everything you can need, as you can see. And Nicole picks it up with one hand. I'm gonna make her carry it around from now on. Instead of giving you the newbie's perspective of what it's like, we invited our friend Anna to test it out for us. She has her own stand-up paddleboard. She's been doing this for a while, and we thought it would be great to let her paddle around on it, and then she gave me her feedback on what she thought of it. Wow, okay, our experience, this is the DEERFAMY, and it is unbelievable how cool this is for coming out of a backpack. I mean, people who are just kind of watching what they were doing and have stand-up paddleboards and stuff were like, no way that that's going to be a legit stand-up paddleboard. And this is completely legit. Now, Anna, our test model who is out there, you saw the video of her, gave a lot of great feedback. She has her own stand-up paddleboard, and she said it was great. Loved it. You could see that from the video that it was easy for her to paddle around, super stable. Again, the paddles are adjustable for whatever size you need. I don't know if I could say anything more positive about it.